Welcome to the FDNY exam video segment. This video is designed to accompany the operations manual and question set found on our website and in the review guide. Please note, not all videos deal directly with firefighting because the actual test includes material not related to firefighting. Also, we kept the videos very simple to avoid distractions. They were not intended for your entertainment.
Water fire extinguishers are very effective against small Class A fires and can be used for temporary suppression of larger fires. A Class A fire is caused by a regular combustible, such as paper or wood. It should not be used against an oil or grease fire because it may actually spread the fire. It should not be used against an electrical fire, as the water can conduct electricity and may electrocute the firefighter. 1. Complete the maintenance service procedure in order of items 1 through 12. 2. Discharge all remaining pressure and water, making sure there is no remaining air pressure. 3. Remove the valve assembly and disassemble by removing the down tube assembly. Use a wrench on the brass retainer, not the plastic tube. Spring and valve assembly. Remove collar O-ring from the valve and plastic fill tube from the cylinder. 4. Thoroughly rinse all parts with clean water and wipe dry with a soft cloth. Blow the valve out with air or nitrogen. Inspect the collar O-ring, valve stem and spring. Replace parts if worn or damaged. Inspect the down tube. Replace it if it is cracked, deformed, or does not have a threaded brass spring retainer. Inspect the down tube O-ring and replace if necessary. 5. Rinse the cylinder with clean water and inspect the interior. Follow CGA Visual Inspection Standard C6. 6. Firmly replace the plastic fill tube and fill the cylinder with clean water until it overflows. Fill the unit with 2.5 U.S. gallons of water. 7. Install a verification of service collar around the neck of the cylinder. Install valve assembly to the cylinder and properly align. Note, hand tighten the valve collar nut, 100 to 125 inch-pounds of torque. Maximum 1.15 to 1.44 kilograms per meter of torque. Over-tightening with a wrench will damage the valve. 8. Remove cap from the air pressurizing valve on the side of the valve body and pressurize. Pressurize to 100 psi, 690 kilopascals, using air or nitrogen. The pressure regulator should be set to no more than 125 pounds per square inch, 862 kilopascals. Replace pressure valve cap. The cap must be in place to ensure that the valve will not leak. 9. Check the collar, gauge, air pressurizing valve, cylinder wells, and valve orifice for leaks using leak detection fluid or a solution of soapy water. Remove leak detection fluid from the valve assembly by blowing out with air and wipe exterior of the extinguisher to dry. 10. Install hose and nozzle assembly. 11. Install ring pin with ring facing front of extinguisher. Install new tamper seal. Record recharge date and attach new recharge tag. 12. Weigh assembled extinguisher and confirm that the total weight is within the allowable tolerances indicated in the maintenance section on the extinguisher nameplate.